Alright guys, so I'm excited to actually share my first video of a playlist that is gonna show you step by step how to create your own business from scratch in the hotshot industry. From registering your business with the state you live in, to getting your USDOT number, to shopping for insurance and looking for a truck, and everything that you need to do to get started with your own company in the business. So first of all, the first step in this whole process is to form your business. You have to register your business with the state you live in. So for instance, I live in Washington State, so I just go to the Washington State website, and then if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. If you already have an account, you can just log in. So for me, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. This is just to show you guys the process, because I'm not going to be registering. I already registered my business. So just click on login. If you don't have an account, once again, just create an account. It's pretty easy. Registering your business would cost you about $200 in the Washington State. So I don't know about other states. I just know about Washington State. So once you log in, it's pretty straightforward. Just create or register a business. Click on that. I would like to form a Washington State business. As you can see, Washington Limited Liability Company. If you want to defer your initial report and then later on file for it, you can do that by clicking here. Otherwise, just continue. So do you already have a UBI number? No, you don't. If you don't have a business, you can't have a UBI number. But if you had previously had a business, you possibly and you want to reactivate it, it's probably going to be the same process. So you're just going to be like yes, and then enter your UBI number. Otherwise, just click no. Do you already have a name reserved with this office? If you do, say yes. If you don't, say no. Like for instance, let's search up my current business, which is TK Transcendent LLC. As you can see, my business is actually already taken. You cannot register, you cannot use my name, but let's say TK Transport. Oh, okay, I gotta put the LLC there. Yep. Okay, so transports is not taken, but as you can see, transport is already taken and is active. But ticket transports is available. Actually, sorry. Okay, so it's actually available. As you can see, this name is available. You could use it. So for this case, we're just gonna use ticket transport. So registered agent, you can be your own registered agent. You don't have to pay anybody to be a registered agent for you. So the registered agent is the person that's going to be in contact with the state about the business and stuff like that. So I am the registered agent. Use my contact information. Just click on that. Otherwise, if you want to pay somebody to be your registered agent, then you could go ahead and do that. So if you had already created an account, it would just automatically fill out the information, your own information. Just put in your address, like just say 118 Linwood Wood Drive. Let's just say 98204. So this is a fake address. As you can see, it would be like, oh, okay, address not found. But alright, let's just say Highway 99. Highway 99. So mailing address, if it's different, you could just type that in here, or if it's the same, you could just click the same and continue on with the process. So if you had already prepared your certificate of formation, you could just click yes and upload it. Otherwise, just click no, because if you click yes and upload it, I believe you would skip a lot of steps. Here is just asking you details about your principal office. Just fill that out, your email, confirmation, your phone number, address of the office and stuff like that. So this is regarding the duration of your LLC. If you wanted to create your LLC, you could just be like, okay, if you wanted to have a duration, you could be like, okay, I want this company to be active for 1 year and then it would be deactivated. Or you could just choose that and it will be perpetual, like continuous. Effective date of filing, you could specify the date, or you could just choose the date of the current date you're filing it. So you can also be your own executor, just click on that, and then, or you could just choose somebody. But I would just say be your own executor, don't pay anybody, put in your information and then add that. When you go here, also be your own governor. What is the nature of your business? Let's see. Transportation and warehouse. So if you're not comfortable with this transportation and warehousing, you could just click on here, other, and then you could just type in the nature of your business. So here, it's pretty straightforward, guys. I'm trying to stay under 10 minutes here. So do you have additional documents to upload? No, I am an authorized person filing this, and then just continue. Guys, okay. Alright, let's continue. So add to cart, and then that's it. It's actually pretty easy in forming your own LLC. Guys, I'm really sorry. I know I said under 10 minutes, but I just wanted to take it all the way to the end. That way you can see how it is formed. But once that is done, right, all you gotta do is just do that checkout, $200, as you can see, and then your business will be created. So stay tuned. After you do this step, you would probably receive your UBI number through email and stuff. And then the next step would be getting your EIN number. I would create a separate video for that. Alright guys, thank you for watching.